The following program is rated TV MA-LSV. It contains strong language, sexual situations, and violence. It is intended only for mature audiences.
This is so automatic.
The topic that I wanted to bring to you guys today is the end-all be-all topics of all time. Whoa. And it is, a lot of pressure here. Which is the best DAW? Man, let's give me a harder question.
Y'all ever open your DAW and see a big-ass fruit show up on your screen? I'm telling y'all.
So, okay.
Can I tell you something?
What?
And a company 3 months ago, announced a standalone DAW, a free standalone DAW, and a free collection of VSTs. And I think they about to get all of us out of here.
Who? A standalone DAW? What's that?
Behringer.
Oh.
Meet Hoot the producer, a music enthusiast always chasing the perfect sound. Today, Hoot's on a mission to level up his music production game.
Oh, I see you got that new Behringer loops. Enjoy making beats with your new DAW.
Meanwhile, Lil Tiger receives an offer that could change his life.
Lil Tiger. Man, you put on a show out there today. We want you to start as our point guard this season. I believe in you, son. I know you can help us get at least to the playoffs. Good job tonight.
Hoot wastes no time getting creative with his new gear. He's loving that new DAW. Looks like Behringer loops is gonna be around for a long time. Lil Tiger and Hoot discuss their good news and head to the Green Lounge for the Big Hipp concert. The roommates decide to celebrate their achievements with some live music. Looks like Big Hipp's in town, and he's throwing a concert.
Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch, I'm in my own race. Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch, I'm in my own race. Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch, I'm in my own race. Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch, I'm in my own race. That nigga clout chaser, you think he living right? Invested my time, gave my heart to the hustle, make sure you count it right. I'm keeping focus, protecting the profit, we don't run off on the plug. Burning bridges, bad business, drought hit you, can't get out that hole that you dug. My daddy was hustling, my grandpa was thugging, my mama was flipping them checks too. TD hollering out the window in the milk, you better not let them play with you. Ego big, pride high, respect earned, yeah, nigga, what it do? Uncle told me if I ever need it, he gon' take care of the whole crew. Emotionally scarred, lost track of the vision, bitch, I was full of them drugs. Pain in my heart, It's hard to forgive in the game where these niggas might set you up. Why did you trust her? She told you she love you, now you get injected by her older brother. Girl still ain't close, you know how it go. Niggas don't spend nothing in the jungle. Addicted to money when got me a hustle. Young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch. I'm in my own race.
It's the sound of success, and it's only the beginning.
The money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch. I'm in my own race. Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch. I'm in my own race. Addicted to money when got me a hustle, young niggas stay on the bag chase. Fuck what they think, I found my own lane, bitch. I'm in my own race. They used to call me Lil Dirty, shit hurt me until I found out who my daddy was. Since back then in middle school, he couldn't stop me, he knew that his son was a thug. Make sure you patient when it's time to count it. Re-up expensive if it's out of pocket. Feeding that habit ain't